In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variants in Shopify. Adding variants is how you offer options like different colors, sizes, or materials for the same product without having to create separate product pages. It keeps your store organized and makes shopping easier for your customers. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. Once you're on the main admin home screen, look over to the left-hand side menu. From there, click on Products. This is where all the items in your store are listed. Next, find and click on the product you'd like to add variants for. This will open the product details page, where you manage things like the title, description, images, and pricing. Scroll down until you see the section titled Variants. If your product doesn't have any variants yet, you'll see an option that says something like Add options like size or color. Click on that. This is where you'll start defining the different options customers can choose from. In the first option field, type in the variant type you want to use. For this example, we'll use color. Once you've added color, click on the empty field just below it. A list of common color options may appear, or you can simply type in the color names you offer. Select or enter the color variants you want for this product, such as red, blue, or black. When you're done choosing your colors, click Done to confirm. Now, if your product needs another type of variant, like size, you can add that as well. Click on Add another option. In the new option field, type size or whatever makes sense for your product. After that, click on the empty field below size and select or type the different sizes you offer, such as small, medium, and large. Again, once you've added all the sizes you need, click Done. Shopify will now automatically create a list of all the variant combinations based on the options you've added. You can scroll through these to adjust prices, SKUs, or inventory if needed. When everything looks correct, scroll up or down and click Save. Your product now has variants, and customers will be able to choose their preferred color, size, or any other option.